think the biggest driving factor behind SEL Manufacturing is this idea of a defect-free product, on time, every time, as fast as possible.
We produce the best quality products for our customers so that they can provide critical need to our communities, our schools, businesses, to ensure that the lights stay on.
The quality that goes into SEL devices starts with the design and R&D, and do we have a robust design that is going to withstand a service life of 20 plus years. The supply chain, not only are we getting parts, we're getting good parts, and then our processes to assemble those units. At the end result, we're able to deliver a defect-free product to customers within 5 days.
We work in an industry where most of our competition measure a lead time in weeks, and we try to measure it in days.
We're continuing to vertically integrate into things like sheet metal, magnetics, and plastics. We're bringing more and more things in-house because we can control that quality.
We're able to control our quality better because we're building our own products, so we know what it takes to do that, and we know how to do it really, really well.
If we have an issue with that part, we can fix it. We don't have to wait days, weeks, months to get that from overseas somewhere. We can fix it in a matter of hours, and we can continue to deliver to our customer.
I honestly believe that the most important thing that we have going for us is the fact that our people are engaged and they really truly care about what they're doing.
Being an employee-owned company means every employee has a stake in our long-term success.
We manufacture a meaningful product, something that lives can depend on, and employees care. They care about what goes into the product that they're delivering to their customer.
We keep the lights on, but more than that, right? You're keeping hospitals running, you're helping people get clean water. What we do is critical, and I think that the folks in manufacturing realize that.
Anytime your employees are invested in what they're doing and they care, you're producing a better quality product. I think the thing that is most important to our manufacturing operation is the people. And those people are what drive us. We manufacture the best products in the industry using the best equipment and the best people. Our mission is to make electric power safer, more reliable, and more economical. And when we can do that, regardless of where that is, it changes people's lives.